Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bertemu lagi di channel saya Kurowashi Painting. Dan di kesempatan kali ini saya ingin berbagi pengalaman saya saat mengerjakan repaint di Ninja KRR. Dan kebetulan saat ini saya sedang melakukan pemotongan di bagian Kevlar sayap daripada Ninja KRR ini. Jadi pertama-tama yang saya lakukan adalah memberikan cairan remover atau penghilang cat di permukaan dasaran cat yang lama dari tangki Ninja KRR. Begitupun juga di bagian media plastiknya juga. Setelah melakukan remover, di sini saya melakukan pengamplasan dari grid 400 sampai naik ke grid 800. Dan untuk warna base coat di sini saya pesan dari Daya Warna. Untuk warna orisinil dari Ninja KRR warna silver ke coklat-coklatan. Di sini untuk setengah kaleng saya mendapatkan harga 265. Dan di sini untuk campuran cat saya memakai rasio 2:1, 2 untuk thinner, 1 untuk catnya. Di sini untuk proses aplikasi epoksi saya menggunakan 3 lapis dengan jeda antara 15 menit per lapis. Dan saya memakai epoksi filler dari Nippon Paint. Dan ini hasilnya setelah melakukan pengamplasan di epoksi. Saya gunakan amplas grade 1000 untuk menghaluskan epoksi. Dan selanjutnya di sini saya sebelum naik base coat saya selalu memakai cairan degreaser untuk menghilangkan kotoran atau debu-debu yang menempel agar nanti warna base coat tidak gronjel atau tidak kotor. Maka dari itu saya menggunakan cairan degreaser. Untuk base coat saya menggunakan 3 lapis juga dengan jeda 10 menit per lapis. Setelah proses base coat selesai, usahakan kita tunggu kering kalau bisa sampai 24 jam agar nanti hasil clear coat bagus dan tidak terjadi kegagalan atau keriting pada saat nanti kita clear code. Dan ini dia Mas Bro hasil base code kita kemarin, dan sekarang siap untuk proses selanjutnya, yaitu melakukan clear code atau finishing. Dan di sini untuk clear code saya menggunakan clear code dari Bellcode tipe 6300. Saya aplikasikan dengan 4 lapis dengan jeda 15 menit per lapis.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name, check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change, possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, a disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic with this logic, you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic.
Built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah. I've been doing this, I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic, got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic. Keep 'em out your face, no way, you don't want 'em, yeah.
Don't try to drain my energy, the enemy is everything. It's mentally, unhealthily, spreading like a rare disease. But I won't let it get to me, I don't need your therapy. I can leave a legacy of leading by intensity. Come on, we can fight this, freedom is priceless. Spread just like a virus, living in a crisis. Do you feel courageous? Do you seek greatness? Trust me, you can take it, go on and take your aim, yeah.
Built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah.
Let's go, yo. I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shoot tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
Jadi seperti ini Mas Bro, hasil akhir daripada saya merepaint Ninja KRR dengan warna silver ke coklat-coklatan, warna original dari KRR ini. Jadi saya rasa cukup video kali ini, semoga bermanfaat. Tetap berpikiran positif, jaga kesehatan, dan sayangi keluarga. Sampai jumpa di video saya selanjutnya. Terima kasih.